Alright, hey guys, Zach again. Tried to do this video once before, but it didn't save. It's my 2003 Ford Ranger. I've been having some trouble lately. It'll start loading up when I'm accelerating, like more than 3/4 throttle, and it's getting a little annoying. Before I would do it very intermittently. Now it's starting to get more normal. Well, not normal, but more frequent. Let's see if I can get out of town a little bit and I can show you what it does. When I'm driving normal, it drives just fine. There's no hesitation, no nothing. Let's see. Almost out of town now. I don't want to speed going through town. Like right now I'm in 4th gear, and let's see if it'll actually do it. You hear that kind of hesitation / loading up misfire sound? I'm not sure what the heck's going on with that. You hear that? It's mostly in 4th. It'll do it in 5th sometimes, not always, but I don't have any codes for it either. The check engine light that's on right now, that's for my thermostat. I cheaped out and got a Chinese one, and shame on me. I found out the hard way. Don't buy Chinese parts. But yeah. If anyone has any idea what that could be, it's kind of annoying me, and I don't want to start throwing money at parts if it's not the right thing. I'm gonna clean my mass airflow sensor and see if that does anything. If not, then hopefully someone has some input on what it could be. Like I said, it's only doing that when I floor it, so see. Again, I don't have any codes for it, so I'm gonna clean the mass airflow sensor, go from there. I'm not sure if it could be an O2 sensor or not. If anyone has any input, I'd love to hear it. Thanks.